Okay, so we're at the Sanur Paradise Plaza Suites. Oh, having fun, Charlotte? So this is like the games area down below in between the two pools. So I was chatting to the kids club people before, and yeah, so it's not like a fully supervised kids club. They do have activities. They are supervised at those times when they do them. But the rest of the time, either if the kids are young enough, you have the nanny with them, or kids like Charlotte's age, she could just come down here and just have a play, pretty much. So you've got the kids slide area up that direction, and then you've got the main adult pool up that direction. They've got really good non-slip matting, which I'm actually really liking. So no tiles around the pool, it's that non-slip stuff, which is great, especially with Mason because he does not walk around the pool. So little play area for the younger kids as well. Yeah, so it's sort of, it's all good fun. I can imagine having a good time with the kids down here. So the kids pool out here with the water slide that I showed before, you've been watching this video, that's open from 9 till 6. And the good part is they put a little gate on the door there. So once it's shut, I'm sure Mason will probably try to get back into it, but at least it's actually, that gate is shut for them. So pretty good fun by the looks of it.